We are out here in Africa. Oh, I just locked myself out. See, that's what I get for trying to be funny. All right, guys, as you can see, I was trying to be funny. I locked myself out, but we are good. Welcome to Wakanda. Washing a car in the dirt is crazy. It's like taking a shower and putting shitty underwear on. Everybody's here, man. The McLeese, another McLeese, 600 LT. No McLarens broke down on the rally. Guess they're making them better nowadays. Every rally, there's always a broken McLaren. This guy got the new hybrid Huracan / Revolto. Little Cayman, GT3. Yeah, everybody's just pretty much rich. And then me, I came in a rental. Low-key, I'm gonna put some Lambo doors in this motherfucker. All right, guys, no hat because I'm hot. It's not just a rally. It's a buffet, too. We got my guy, Chef Uli, out here. All right, guys, I think we're finally leaving. Welcome back. This is day 2, new rally. They just went to go do some influencers and the wild shit, I don't know. They got Edmund, Sam, Nicholas is somewhere wandering around. It's hot, man, it's hot. Gotta turn this AC on. Woo. Damn, where's my chapstick? Should probably turn the water. Let me be careful where I open this. Y'all remember what happened last time. That Bearsby good shit. That Blistex would have turned into a smoothie. Full boost, brother. So we're about to go to a drive through Zion, I believe. Pretty cool, like scenic route. We got the camera crew right here. And they got the Mukov melting the noggin. Yeah, the views out here are actually insane though. Got the wide angle cracking, so it's not really giving you guys a full perspective, but it looks crazy. It's getting a little more scenic. Give us about 10 minutes here, it's gonna look insane. I don't know how well the camera does to pick this up, but in person, it looks pretty unrealistic. It's like a movie. Wild. Looks like they built more stuff since the last time I went through here. You guys remember that rally in the GT3? Your boy's back here in my own Porsche. I ain't gonna lie though, this town looked like I'll get called the N-word though. I feel like one of those YouTube channels that be just filming random places and they don't say anything, they just film it. Damn, they're tall as shit. Welcome to Jurassic Park. I know there's some crazy ass white boy that didn't climb that motherfucker before too. Motherfucker risked it all for a 360 video. This is a Disneyland ride right here. I think we just woke up every motherfucking animal in goddamn Utah. Bro, it's probably so loud coming out of the tunnel this way. You better calm down, sir, before you get a check engine light. What kind of rapper was in the front seat? It does.
I actually like it on the top.
Pretty sick. Now that's how you travel. Damn, GT.
All over me.
Hella all over Nick. That shit about to be loud. JFK? Motherfucking president out here? All right, guys, we ditched the pack. I wanted to drive solo. The views, crazy. The car, crazy. The handling, crazy. The ass sweat, crazier. Life don't get much better than this. Working AC. So I always looked at these mountains and I'm like, yo, that was for sure underwater at one point. Cause just look at the color formation. Like, you know, a fish tank when it has water in it for a hella long time? Yeah, they ain't fooling nobody. At one point, the world was all water. And then it just got dried up. You know why? Cause thirsty. Oh, they handicapped. Let me back off the buns. The views are crazy though. It's just so dope. I still gotta say, this doesn't top Yosemite though. Yosemite actually looks insane. Damn, little 7 leaves. Sounds good right about now. Y'all wanna buy me one? Hit the link in my bio. Donate to the United Negro Funds. For sure, a little opening to one of them Star Wars planes right there. They're actually pretty high up. I didn't realize it. Hey, why that mountain right there look like it got a fucking taper? Like, bro got a haircut. Gave homie a flat top. Alright, as well, we're gonna get to the bottom of this mountain and wait for the rest of the pack. That's just funny. All the material from the inside of the exhaust. So like I got mean metallic in my paint. This thing is dirty. She needs a wash bad, but I feel like there's just no point to wash it until I get home, or Vegas at least. Whew, that would have been a rock chip. 100%. This front end would have been so cooked if I didn't have PPF. Shout out to the paint protection film. Well guys, we are back. We got him versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. But you should still worry about this one too. I don't think there's any more car related activities happening for the rest of the day. We're just gonna be here vibing, drinking, eating. We got the chef cracking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have no idea what we're eating tonight, but it's gonna be some good shit, man. Nice. 2 RS. 3 SF90. Very nice.
The next morning.
What's up, guys? Day 3, Coachella. Yeah, this guy Edmund, rich. Washing your car in the dirt. Ugh, I think I forgot to put deodorant. Psych! I ain't one of these musty motherfuckers. About to grab a little Red Bull, and then we're gonna be on our journey. Vegas, here we come. Top of the morning.
Boys?
How you doing?
Good. How you guys doing?
Yep, good. Blessed, man. All right, what you guys want? You know, the watermelon is pretty tempting because of my skin color, but I think we're gonna go with the traditional. Yeah. Is it buy one, get one free?
If only, right?
Damn.
Receipt.
No, it's fine, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Let's get it. It's a lot cheaper than Cali. Little 600, El Tizzle. I like them, man. I thought about getting one instead of the 4S, but I'm just like, I don't know, bro. I don't know about McLarens. All my homies with McLarens always have problems with them. That was just a sign for me not to get one. Wash the windshield, $5, $1, anything. This guy's living fast.
Lit mode?
Limp mode? Finding limp?
Finding check engine light?
812 has entered the chat. I think sick. I think the next like 20-30 minutes is just gonna be us filming as a group, and then after that we'll be doing some Lewis Hamilton. Oh look, I need to pay my bill. We're just gonna close that. Alright guys, we're like an hour away from Vegas. Straight mobbing. But different. Oh, okay. We're on a closed road, guys. Don't try this at home. We're in the middle of Mexico. That oil Tim's is like, hey, yo, what we got going on? This thing's so loud inside, it's crazy. That induction noise. Mean VTEC. Blow over with that big ass wing. It's just gonna go. Wee. I want to get some races in. Oh, there you go. Too much Red Bull. It doesn't give you wings. It gives you a high heart rate. Then you might actually get wings and drink too many of the motherfuckers. I think that's what they mean by that shit. It gives you wings, but you gonna die. I think we're doing a cool down lap right now. All right, we back down 208. So far, GT4S driving great. It gets a little unstable around like 300 miles per hour though. I start feeling the wing. We got Chris in the rock flinger. Ain't gonna lie guys, my new album's low-key buns. I dropped 3 albums and there's like 5 songs that are good. You know, I'm washed. What good civilians letting us over. Sir Captain speaking, we're at a cruising altitude right now. Should be in Vegas in about approximately 30 minutes. Downshifts are so satisfying. Just the shifts in general. Good shit. We're almost there, we're not too far. Definitely not far with this driving. going on. It's a fun little mob. Hopefully my front splitter's not cooked. Even though it's plastic, that shit's still like $1,000. Woo. Good job. Great rally car. Alright, let's look at this front end. Imagine not having PPF. Fuck. This should have been so fried. Jesus. Alright guys, check it out. It's actually my first time staying here, Fountain Blue. It's pretty nice. Nice, nice little room. First time staying here. We're on the 55th floor. Be nice to be up there, but you know, tax brackets, man. See all the cars right there. Sick. Well, for sure gonna put a hotel in this lot. Some rich ass motherfucker gonna buy that shit out. Sick. Time to decompress, man. What we got? Ooh, gummy bears.
The next morning.
Well, that's it, guys. It's time to go home. I had a blast. Shit was fun, but the rally has come to an end. Evans GT3 is super sick. I'm normally not a fan of like bright colors and like white wheels, but it works on that. 992 ET3. This is the F8. Clean. C8, the F8 and C8. Well guys, that is it for this rally. Hope you guys enjoyed it. EDC actually ends today, so I'm trying to get an early start. That Sunday traffic from Vegas plays no games. I'm gonna take my ass home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.